to DJI Hassleblad, Regent Street, again. This time for something different, so stay tuned. Yeah, so at Horse Guards Parades there was a little Palestine march or something like that. I didn't know about it, so I had to do a little big detour. Currently delayed, but I promise you I will get there shortly. We are back in the DJI store. Today we're gonna get something different.
That was my favorite one. I go forward.
Okay, so this makes sense. So yeah. And to do it, you're just using the joystick here. Yeah. But in the goggles, you keep the selected what you want selected hovered just over it.
Yeah.
So you can just be flying technically you could be flying anytime. Flick the joystick.
If that's all cross on box, basically, because it's on right now, to select the top when I have the brightness, is that second option. If it's on, yeah, anytime. But the only thing is, let's say, if I'm quite low, yeah, right now it doesn't allow me to do it. But let's say if I go quite up, now I can.
Got ya. And quick, you see the bundle with that and that, does it come with the transmission module?
Yeah. You get it.
Wicked. Yeah guys, so that was a quick test of the DJI Neo 2, and as I said, I've been here already, so I didn't really need that much to be seen about the drone. I was gonna get the avatar too, but I'll get it later. Dude,
I have the avatar.
I love it. What I was thinking to do is use that for
Don't worry about telephone number. Don't worry about that one.
Oh, cool.
Oh, you're a customer. Lovely. Make my life easier.
You see with that, yeah, I can go to businesses and do like indoor walkthroughs.
I do it with avatar.
You see, because it's a bit loud, I've got the Avatar 1, so it's a bit chunky and...
But the thing is, compare the camera quality between that and the avatar, that would be the thing.
True.
Because my one, I'm sure.
And that's got no D-Log as well.
Yeah.
What, can I say Mini 2, but the Mini 2, the Mini 3?
No D-Log. Maybe soon. Avatar 3.
Total for that is £49. If you don't say Amex, anything else, you can tap for the
I've got to follow you.
and then on the card machine, you can choose your receipt option.
I've probably seen you before, Cesar.
That is very possible, yeah.
Clean. I think I need a little Saturday job here, you know. Where you Insta, YouTube?
Huh?
Where you on Insta?
No,
YouTube?
that one just safe. I don't have the YouTube button. That one just like because I know the people who work there, so.
Okay, no, with that I'll be posting every day.
It's because my friends they work in real estate, so they always ask me for myself. True.
Cash please, bro. Yeah. That's okie dokie. You say 530.
pick up them, let's see my move. 200. Quite simple.
Cool.
Get it before.
Nice one. Can I change the phone number that's on the account, or is it better to do it on? I can do it online, innit?
Do you have a fiver?
Is it,
Do you have a fiver?
I got a tenner.
I have a 10 as well.
Is it easier to pay the little rest on card or so? Look at some of these cameras, guys. Look at this. This just looks so like vintage, classic, beauty. Aye, this is minimalist. See this one here? See the price tag? So worth it. I don't even know nothing about Hassleblad. I think DJI is my brand there, but I can't lie. Hassleblad, they do some nice clean lenses and cameras though. I think we're ready to go now.
Yeah, you are.
Nice one. Have a good one, yeah? Take care, sir. See you soon, yeah?